So to do a tournament such as this one, and to add a link as shown here, what you want to do is go to your image and file management here and select download file management. From here you can upload additional files. Just click upload file and then it'll select your file and then it'll appear here. You can click on it and then you're going to copy this link. So we're just going to right click on it and say copy link address, and then we go back to the actual schedule in Matchmaker. We're going to say show other, update to show. I already have this set up, but you can create a new match as well. And then here's our tournament, and then here's all our typed in information, and then down at the bottom we're going to paste in that link that we just copied. And then the trick is, if you want to make it clickable, you've got to add this bit right here. Oops, my bad. I have to add this href bit right here. So I'll type this out in a single line that you can see it a little bit easier. As we got, so what we copy and pasted out of the upload was this piece right here. Okay. And then this is what we're adding in front of and behind that. And that will basically create a link that uses this text right here in your description. And that's all there is to it.